Stock number 6282, for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall, is a stunning 1949 Studebaker Commander Regal Deluxe Series 16A Convertible. Unless you're at a Studebaker meet, it's doubtful you'll see another one of these rare cars, especially in this condition. The velvet black paint is wonderfully accented by the shiny bumpers, moldings, ornaments, and oxblood interior. It's powered by a 226 cubic inch L-head inline 6-cylinder with a Borg-Warner T86E 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, and don't miss the glass jar of lubricant for the automatic lubricator attached to the firewall. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next classic at classicautomall.com.